where she been.
Where she at?
She was here, now she gone again.
Lead her back.
Now it's me and all my whiskey friends, and I'm tired of it, tired of it.